Hi, in this video, you will learn how to download, install, and activate Norton protection on your Windows PC or laptop. To begin with, open a browser and go to my.norton.com. Click Sign In. Enter a valid email address. You can sign in with a one-time code sent to this email address, or use your account password if this email address is linked to your Norton account. You can also sign in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. After you enter your password, click Sign In. Hover over My Account in the header and choose My Subscriptions. In the My Subscriptions page, click Download or Share next to the subscription that you wish to download and install. In the Get Started page, click Download. Once the download completes, click and open the installer. Click Install Norton Security. After installation, click Start Setup. Your Norton protection is being activated. When the activation is complete, click Next. You are presented with an onboarding wizard, allowing you to set up the key features associated with your subscription. We highly recommend you follow the on-screen instructions and set up those features. To run Smart Scan now, click Run Smart Scan. When the scan is complete, click Next. Finally, click Go to Dashboard. That's it. Your Norton protection is downloaded, installed, and activated. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.